What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. I'm finally gonna be installing my coilovers in this video. Finally got some decent weather. Okay, now that I got it secure, time to take the tire off. Yeah, we're putting these bad boys on today. They got some weight to them too. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this. I think this is size 18. I ain't gonna take it off all the way because this gonna have to slide down when I hit it with the hammer. And I'm gonna go ahead and take them bolts off. There, and then go ahead and loosen that bad boy right there. Let me go ahead and finish taking this nut off and I'll get back. Now I'm about to bang this with the sledgehammer. So I'm gonna have to put y'all down because I'm really gotta hit it. Now I just gotta finish taking that nut off, that butt off the strut. And then I gotta take the 3 that's connected to the top and it'll be ready to come out. Take these 3 off. Got the ones off at the top. So you gotta wiggle this, get it out. I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get this out. Sometimes you just gotta finagle with it. Okay, got the old one out. This junk was beat up. I ain't even gonna lie. Look, that junk is bad. Yeah, and what I was told, it is a left and a right. So I'm about to see which side goes on the right. I'll be back with y'all. Now how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna try and match it so it can be about the same length. Cause it's a lot shorter. What I gotta do is just loosen this and turn this, and that's it. And they gave me the tool for it. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. Just turning this. It makes it longer and shorter. So I'm gonna try and get it right on for when I put it on. Then when it's on, I can use the tool to adjust it. I believe that's good enough. Now I'm about to just lock this down. I looked it up. They said on these it ain't no right or left side. But they said, when I looked up my old ones, they said it was the left and the right side. But it ain't no left and the right side, so fuck it. And they look just the same. These the new nuts they gave me, but I'm putting on the older ones because they got the washer on it, and that's so much better. But let me get back with y'all when I put this on. Top bolted up, not tight, just snug so it won't move. And I am going to put the spindle on a I can't think right now, on the upper ball joint first. And I'm gonna barely put the nut on it. Then I'm gonna put everything else on it and then tighten everything. This jack is your best friend. Sometimes you just gotta, you can see you gotta jack it up. Forgot what that's called, but you jack it up until you reach this, and this goes up right with it. So I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get everything set. So you just line it up with that hole. Then you put this bad boy in there. Only problem you're gonna have, the stock ones, they got like a nut water on this side so the bolt can thread in it. And I can show you on this one. And the new one don't. The aftermarket one don't. So you're gonna have to get a nut. You got to get a nut that fit this, which ain't a big problem. Now I gotta use a jack to jack this up all the way into that hole. Alright, I got that one in the hole. Now I just gotta put this nut on it. And shit, really I'm done. I just gotta tighten shit up. But the other side is will always give me problems. Okay, I'm finished with this side. But let me put my tire on to see if I have to adjust it or not. I'm gonna time lapse this. Actually, I might actually lower some, but the other side not done. So I'm gonna wait till I get the other side done before I do some adjustments. But I'm not gonna record me doing this other side because it's gonna be the same shit. So I'm gonna get back with y'all once everything done and I got it in a parking lot or something. Yo, that front is low. You can tell it's way lower than the back. But I'm gonna be buying the backs too to lower it. So it's gonna be like this for a while.